Everybody, it's David.
And Lex.
And we are Breathe to Perform. We just spent the past, hour or so shooting some material for our new series, which is called Moving Beyond Masks. And you'll see the series when it rolls out. But we wanted to shoot this video to really just kind of dive deep on the why, what inspired us to make it, why we feel like it's really important, and what we're experiencing even in our neighborhood here that led us to feel like this was an important conversation.
Yeah, what sparked the interest in making this series in the first place is that masks were supposed to be a temporary solution to what we were experiencing during this pandemic. And there's going to be a point in time where we will move beyond them. And what happens from that, and what can we learn from this time period to apply later?
This is such a super teachable moment that we're all in right now. And a couple of things we do know that if we prolong the use of masks beyond their necessity, we're going to be looking at a psychological toll. We're going to be looking at a toll to our collective mental health, our ability to socialize with one another. You're going to be looking at a toll when we think about early childhood development, where facial expressivity is so important to creating feelings of safety. So this is a really big problem that extends beyond COVID. So I think, as Lex just pointed out, we looked at this temporary measure, and then we saw a lot of complexity in how it was dealt with. Right? I walk through my neighborhood, I see people on bikes in masks, some people are not, some people are running in masks, some people are not, some people are walking alone in the street in masks or driving, others are not. That just goes to show that we're not looking at the same data, we're not looking at this from the same vantage point, and we don't, maybe there's a lack of actual respiratory education going on. There's certainly a lot of slogans and a push to wear a mask, but in what instance? For how long? When? To what aim? What is the purpose of using a facial covering from a respiratory perspective? These are some of the things we're going to really dive into in the series. I really want to have a conversation with the audience about what you're experiencing in your neighborhoods, grocery stores, schools, so we can really, again, make this a teachable moment that we leverage and learn from together.